Say what? That's right. You're excited, aren't you? I'm excited. I've always been excited. I like to have fun on video. Inspection and repairs are back to more of a normal market. So what does that really mean? That means you don't have to remove your contingency like you used to, right? And after post-COVID, look, people are removing all their contingencies. What that basically means is you are giving away your right to inspect the property and look at reports and get home inspections. And at the end of the day, you're now seeing a multiple offer situation. But the reality is you're not seeing a multiple offer situation with a lot of those things being removed. So what does that mean? That means that you have the opportunity to inspect the property, and sometimes you're even getting sellers to repair properties. That's right. So the good news is the market has cooled down some, and in a good way, it's normalizing a healthy market. So if you're thinking about buying a property and you don't know what you should do, reach out to us. We have a buyer workshop. We'll tell you exactly what you can and cannot do in today's current market to win. And as always, as a buyer's agent, my job is to make sure that I protect you and make sure I don't give up anything that you shouldn't have to give up. So if you have any questions on what's going on with the current market, as always, I'll bring the facts, I'll bring the data, you bring the decision.